Welcome back to our channel Storm Rider. The 2025 HAL Tejas Mk2 fighter jet represents a significant leap forward in India's indigenous defense capabilities. Designed and developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited (HAL), the Tejas Mk2 is not just an upgrade over the original Tejas Mk1, it's practically a brand new aircraft built to meet the Indian Air Force's evolving combat requirements. Sleeker, more powerful, and packed with next-gen avionics and weapon systems, the Tejas Mk2 positions itself as a 4.5-generation multirole fighter that competes with some of the world's finest combat aircraft in its class. At first glance, the Tejas Mk2 looks more refined and robust compared to its predecessor. It features a larger airframe, extended fuselage, and recontoured air intakes that improve airflow and enhance engine efficiency. The aircraft is around 14.6 meters long, nearly a meter longer than the Mk1, and has a wingspan of 8.5 meters. This increased size isn't just for show, it enables more internal fuel storage, greater weapon carrying capacity, and additional avionics bays. The result is an aircraft that can stay in the fight longer, fly farther, and pack a more significant punch. Under the hood, or more accurately, under the fuselage, the Tejas Mk2 is powered by the formidable GE F414 engine, a massive improvement over the F404 used in the Tejas Mk1. This afterburning turbofan engine can produce around 98 kilonewtons of thrust, giving the Mk2 an improved thrust-to-weight ratio and enabling it to reach speeds exceeding Mach 1.8. This extra power means better acceleration, faster climb rates, and superior performance in both dogfight and strike roles. Notably, the aircraft features an increased maximum takeoff weight of 17.5 tons, which allows for more weapons, more fuel, or both, giving pilots more flexibility on missions. When it comes to avionics, the Tejas Mk2 is a whole new beast. It incorporates an advanced active electronically scanned array AESA radar, likely the Indigenous UTOM radar or possibly an Israeli or European system depending on final configurations. AESA radars offer superior tracking, targeting, and jamming resistance over traditional mechanical radars. The aircraft also includes an infrared search and track IRST system, which provides passive detection of enemy aircraft, particularly stealth fighters that are hard to track with radar. The Tejas Mk2 is designed for high situational awareness, integrating a wide-angle heads-up display HUD, a fully digital glass cockpit with large multifunction displays, and a helmet-mounted display HMD for targeting and navigation without having to look down at the console. In terms of weaponry, the Tejas Mk2 is designed to be a true multirole platform. It can carry a wide range of air-to-air missiles, including the Indigenous Astra Beyond Visual Range BVR missile, as well as international options like the Israeli Derby and Python-5. For air-to-ground operations, the Mk2 is compatible with precision-guided munitions, laser-guided bombs, anti-ship missiles, and standoff weapons like the BrahMos in the future. The jet features 11 hardpoints, 3 more than the Mk1, giving it a substantial increase in payload flexibility. It also retains the internal 23mm cannon for close-range engagements or strafing runs. The increased weapon load and variety make it adaptable to a wide range of combat scenarios, from air superiority to ground strike to maritime interdiction. Another critical advancement in the Tejas Mk2 is its emphasis on survivability. The jet incorporates reduced radar cross-section features, such as a frameless canopy, composite materials, and improved edge alignment, making it harder to detect. It is also equipped with an Advanced Electronic Warfare (EU) suite. Developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO). This system includes radar warning receivers, self-protection jammers, and countermeasure dispensers to improve survivability in contested environments. These enhancements are designed to make the aircraft not only a threat to adversaries but also capable of taking care of itself in high-threat zones. From a design perspective, the Tejas Mk2 carries forward the delta wing and tailless configuration of the Mk1 but with subtle improvements in aerodynamic shaping. The new design allows for better maneuverability and reduced drag, which complements its increased thrust. Additionally, the aircraft features a canard configuration, small forewings near the cockpit, that helps improve lift and agility during high-speed maneuvers. This addition makes the Tejas Mk2 more agile, especially in close air combat situations where turning speed and maneuverability can mean the difference between life and death. One of the most appealing aspects of the Tejas Mk2 is its cost-effectiveness. Compared to other 4.5 generation fighters like the Dassault Rafale, Eurofighter Typhoon, or F-16 Block 70, the Tejas Mk2 offers competitive performance at a significantly lower acquisition and life cycle cost. This makes it a very attractive option not only for the Indian Air Force but also for export to friendly nations seeking advanced but affordable fighter jets. With India's growing reputation as a defense exporter and the government's focus on the Make in India initiative, the Tejas Mk2 could be a game changer in the international defense market. Operational versatility is another strong suit. The aircraft is expected to replace older platforms like the MiG-29, Jaguar, and Mirage 2000 in IAF service. It's designed to be easy to maintain, with modular components and advanced diagnostics that reduce downtime. Turnaround time between missions is expected to be significantly lower, and the use of indigenous components reduces dependency on foreign suppliers. This not only strengthens national security but also boosts the domestic aerospace ecosystem. The Tejas Mk2 also stands as a symbol of India's self-reliance in defense technology. While earlier Indian fighters often relied heavily on foreign technology, the Mk2 represents a more mature and self-sufficient stage in Indian aerospace engineering. With more than 70% indigenous content expected in the production version, including the radar, avionics, flight control systems, and even some weapons, the Tejas Mk2 is a showcase of how far India's defense manufacturing has come. In summary, the 2025 HAL Tejas Mk2 is more than just an evolution, it's a revolution in India's airpower strategy. With enhanced range, superior avionics, a greater weapons load, improved survivability, and unmatched agility, it offers a formidable platform for the Indian Air Force and potential global buyers. The aircraft is a perfect balance of performance, innovation, and affordability, tailor-made for modern air warfare. It's not just a fighter jet, it's a statement. A statement that India is ready to stand shoulder to shoulder with the world's top aviation powers and chart its own course in aerial combat innovation.